adding decimals, add daisy dots. Just like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You've also got 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.4, 0.5, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. And then after 0.9, the one bit more, the 0.1 more is 1.0. In each of these cases, we're adding 0.1. And 0.9 plus 0.1, 0.9 plus 0.1 is 1.0. It's not 0.10 because 0.10 equals 0.1. If you put this into your calculator changes it to this because that 0 ain't worth nothing. So 0.10, no, 1.0. That's what you get when 0.9 adds 0.1. Oh, that's the first bit. There's more. Okay, here we go. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. 1.9 add 0.1 is 2. Ping! 1.0 equals 1. You put it in your calculator, it gets out 1. 2.0 equals 2. 3.0 equals 3. 4.0 equals 4. 7.0 equals 7. Okay, 0.3 plus 0.1 is 0.4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0.3 plus 0.2 is 0.5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 0.1 plus 0.4 is 0.5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Yeah, I think that one should come out. Okay, I'm going to change that one, make that slightly more difficult. Okay, here we go. Next line. 0.5 plus 0.1. 5 plus 1, 0.6. 0.5 plus 0.2. 5 plus 2, 0.7. 0.3 plus 0.4. 3 plus 4, 0.7. Adding decimals. 0.8 plus 0.1. 8 plus 1, 0.9. 0.7 plus 0.2. 0.7. 7, 8, 9. 0.9. 0.5 plus 0.4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Cool. Oh, they're all the same. 0.9 plus 0.1 is 1.0. Yeah, just a little bit more than 0.9 is 1.0. 0.8 plus 0.2, also 1.0. 0.6, 6 plus 4 is 10. 1. Tick. 0.2 plus 0.1 is a bit more than 1.2. 1.3. 0.9 plus 0.2, a little bit more than 0.9, 1.1. Tick. 0.9 plus 0.4, a little bit more than 0.9, 1.3. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1.5 plus 0.1, a bit more than 1.5, 1.6. 1.6 plus 0.2, a little bit more than 1.6, 1.8. 16 plus 2 is 18. 16 plus 4 is 20, which is 2. 2.0. 3.6 plus 0.1. 1 more than 36, 37, but it's a 37 with a dot in the middle. 3.7. 3.6 plus 0.2. 36 plus 2 is 38 with a dot. In America, the dot often goes at the bottom, but the problem with that is if you've got a load of dots already, you kind of lose it. 3.6 plus 0.4. 36 plus 4 is 40. 4.0 is changed into 4. Whoa, what? Oh, yay, you can add them up just like you add up normal ones. 1 plus 1 is 2. Keep the zeros, keep the dots, keep the zeros. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. Keep the dots, keep the zeros. Keep the lines all in point, point, point. Now don't put a 0 here yet because it might be 1 point something. 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 2 is 9. Oh, it isn't. I thought it might go over 1. Didn't. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. That one's good. That one's good. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it didn't go big enough to be 1 point something. Just like adding normal numbers, adding decimals. Add the smallest bit first. Yeah, just like normal numbers, you always add the smallest bit first so you can carry over. 2 plus 8 is 10. So the 1 sort of carries on to the next column, 0.1, because it's 0.02, 0.08, 0.10, which equals 0.1. Your calculator will automatically change it to 0.1. 2 plus 9 is 11. Oh, okay. Keep the dots in a line. We didn't get a 1 out of it. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. Tickety. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Get the dots all in a line. 3 plus 5 is 8. It's important to be neat so the dots can easily go in a line. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry the 1. 0 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. There's the dot. It's working. This is called adding decimals. Always line up the decimal points. Adding decimals is the same as adding whole numbers. Well, kind of the same, apart from you have to put the decimal point in. Put in the decimal point. Then THEN. Cool. Making my book better each day. Okay, here we go. 5 plus 9 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 plus 1 plus that 1 is 7. 5, 6, 7. Yeah. And then that 1 comes 1 plus 0. 1. That one's correct. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 plus 6. 7. 5, 6, 7. 7 is right. 2 plus 0 is 2. Get the dots in the right place. Oh, that dot's a bit high. 2 plus 0 is 10. The 0, the 1 carried on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Dot. 4 plus 1 is 5. That one's correct. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. Put the 0 in. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Carry on the 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1. Yeah, that's correct. Oh, that equals just 1. 348 at 475. I'm using this just so you can see why 3.48 and 4.75, they do the same stuff. 8 plus 3 is 13. 7 plus 4 is 11, 12, 1, 2. 3 plus 4 is 7, add 1 is 8. 8, 2, 3. 8 plus 5 is 13, carry the 1. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 1 is 12, carry the 1. 3 plus 4 is 7, 8. So these are the same, just this has got the decimal points carried down. Decimals add in the same way whole numbers do. So 164 plus 258 is 422. So 1.64 plus 2.58, it's 1 and a bit plus 2 and a bit. We end up with 4 and a bit. Cool, because it carries over bigger. 1.7 is round. 1.70 is round to 1.7. Tick. That should be a tick. 2.70 is rounded to 2.7. Yeah, the extra 0, your calculator knows it's not worth anything when the zeros are at the end with nothing else coming afterwards. Here we go. 1.3 plus 0.1. 1.3, 0.1. 1.4. 3.6 plus 0.3, 3.6, 0.3. 6 and 3 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4.5, 0.5. Oh, I've got to be more careful because it's going to carry over. 0.5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Some of my students go like that. That's wrong. No. 1, 0. 5 plus 0 plus 1, 5. If you've got 4.5 and another half, you get 5. It carries on. 3 plus 1.32 plus 4.41. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Carry that, get the dots in there. 1 plus 2 is 3. That's right. 2 plus 9 is 11. Carry over the 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5, 6, 7. Put the dot in. 3, 4. Okay. 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 5, I know, is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Carry over the 1. Put the dot in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ching. Ching. Check your answers on the calculator. Wow, that's all right. I've got it. 9 plus 2. Oh, that's one space over. Oh, that's got to change. Whoa, see, if they're not lined up, it makes it difficult. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, 1. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12, 1, 2. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 1 is 14, 1, 4 point. Yeah, because 8 and a bit plus 5 and a bit gives me 14, because it carries on a bit more. My name's Good Luck Gary. This is my card. I tutor and I teach in the international schools in Hong Kong. I come to people's homes to help them in the evening. If your mum wants me to help with your maths or your science, get her to contact me at this email address, goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. Press like, press subscribe. Thanks!